So I ordered a Nespresso coffee machine so that I can have really creamy, frothy coffee at home, caramel lattes and macchiatos that I can make from home. And so I ordered Nespresso. So this box just came today. It is massive. So I am going to see all the stuff that's in this big box. First, got to take out all the paper. There. I'm going to take this box and put it down and bring up some of the stuff that I got. So, very cool. I think this is the coffee, so I'm going to open that in a minute. Go check out what that is. I think this is the coffee machine. And also in the box comes this instructional guide. Okay, so I'm going to take this big box and put it to the side. Okay, so let me first open what I think is the actual Nespresso machine. So let's get this one open. Super excited. Okay. It's so cool. It actually has like a lid so that, or a handle. Looks like so you can lift it out. Wow, that was really satisfying how to take that out of the box. So now I'm going to take this box and put it to the side. Okay. Lots of boxes. Okay. So it has these little nifty things that you can open, making it really easy to unbox. Okay. Some more instructional guides. I'll put that to the side. So this looks like the little cup part that holds your cup. It can go up and down. I'm going to take out cardboard. Oh, this is really neat. So you take out the one-piece cardboard. This whole side flips down. How awesome is that? Did you guys see that? They just make it really easy to open this up. I didn't have to like rip. It's not taped. It just really makes it real easy to just take the machine out. And I ordered a blue one. Okay. So now that this is out, you take this box and put it down. So this is the machine. It's blue, kind of cool. I'm actually wearing blue today, so color matching my coffee machine. That's pretty cool. That's taking color coordination to a whole new level. Okay, so I'm very excited about this. Cannot wait to really make some coffee today. The really cool feature that I liked about this, the reason why I ordered this one, it's actually the Virtuo Next is the machine. There's several different machines out there. And as I was looking and researching, I realized this was the one that I liked the most because it's small, it's compact. As you can tell, this is all the counter space that it requires. The water station, oh, sorry. The water station here is in the back. It just sits really nice, snug fit. It's the same width as the coffee machine. So I kind of like that. I kind of like the shape of it. That's really, really cool. Okay. And then on the side here, when you're done making the coffee, the pods actually will come and get dropped in the side here. So then what you can do is you can take this whole piece out and then you go and you recycle those pods. Okay, the other thing I like about this company is one of the things I ordered with my coffee pod that you can get free with every box of coffee pods that you order is a recycling bag. So now I can go to a Nespresso store, like a satellite location, and bring my pods there for recycling. That's an option, but where I live, there's not a lot. So I'm hoping in the coming decades, maybe there'll be an increase. I don't know. But as a side thing that I can do right now is they give me free recycling bags, and I just have to go to the post office and drop them off, and they get mailed back to Nespresso, so they can get recycled. So really like that component of this machine and just that awareness of recycling. So that's pretty cool. So it comes with this other box. Well, I ordered several different things, so depending on what you order, depends on what boxes you get. So the other nifty thing is when you order the coffee, they come in these boxes that are really attractive. Okay. So this is the one that I'm really excited about. It is golden caramel. This, because I like caramel macchiatos, so I just love that I'm able to order specifically this. So I just love the containers. These are the samples that come with it. I ordered 3 caramel boxes, so a 30 count, because there's 10 in each one. And when you get that, you get free samples. So every time you order direct from Nespresso, you actually will get some free items. So so I'm gonna try these as well. These are options that I chose in my cart when they said you have a free item, choose your free item, and you have a select amount of things that you can select from. Like you have I think there was like one of 2 things that you can select with what I ordered. So I said, okay, well, let me try this. This is coffee with chicory flavor. I'm really excited about this because I remember when I went to New Orleans, I really like the coffee out in New Orleans, and they have coffee with chicory. So I was really excited that this was a sample that I was able to get. So I was like, oh, all right, well, if I can get coffee with chicory, let's do it. Okay, so that's that. Then I also have these. What were these that I got? I'm trying to remember what the, oh, okay, I got some more free samples of what I had chosen, which is caramel, golden caramel. So I'm really excited about that too, because it's like, I have a lot of golden caramel. I'm really excited. Okay, so that's everything that comes in here. Now, this, because I ordered 3 boxes, I qualified for 2 recycling bags. So it depends on how much you order, depends on how many free recycling bags. Again, free recycling bags. And I didn't realize the size when I ordered it. I thought they were going to be like small bags. So I ordered 2 because I was thinking, oh, I'm going to really need a lot. They're actually a pretty good size. Look at it. I didn't realize they were going to come this big. So that's really nice. And it's self-containing. So you just put the items there, you pull off this tape thing, close it up, seal it. And it already comes with the shipping label. I don't have to pay for shipping. It already comes with a shipping label. So that is pretty cool. And I get 2 because I ordered 2. You can always just order just 1, but I figure why not have multiple recycling bags? And so it gives you instructions on the bag itself. So it tells you, you put your pads in here when they're done, and you go to a UPS store. And then it just tells you all about the recycling process. So that is really cool. I really like this feature of Nespresso because for years we had Keurigs, and we still have Keurigs. I still have a Keurig, and I'll still use it. But I definitely, oh, sorry, my dog is barking. I definitely like this component of this company, that this is what they do. So let's open up this other box that I have. Let's see. And I just love the ease of how they make these boxes. The ease of it is just really, really cool. Oh, this is the sample pack that I got. This is exciting. So this also is a little sample thing that they also gifted me for ordering the coffee maker. Isn't that cool? I think you only get this when you actually order an actual machine. But how cool is that? And then it actually gives you a legend, so you can see everything that you have there. So I'm really excited. I'm gonna make coffee later and I'll probably add to this, but I'm really excited to putting this all together, adding the water, making my first cup of coffee. Again, I'm gonna do that in a little bit, but I'm really excited because I've been waiting for this. It came in 3 days from the day that I ordered from the Nespresso company. So that's really cool. They were true to what they said. It ships in 3 to 4 business days, and it did, or 3 to 4 days, because this is actually a weekend day. They did, so they stayed true to their shipping deadlines. It was free shipping for anything $50 or over, so I qualified for that, so I didn't have to pay for shipping. And the unboxing was super easy. I didn't have to struggle with the box, opening up the coffee machine, just the ease of opening it. I really like that feature too. And I really like the feature of being able to recycle. That really speaks to me as a consumer, that I'm able to at least do something and give back in a way that is easy for me. It's reachable, it's attainable. So that's the unboxing of my Nespresso Virtual Next machine that I ordered from the Nespresso company. So thanks for watching.